初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
What a cool, lovely day!
What a cool, lovely day.
多么凉爽可爱的一天啊！
What a cool, lovely day!
What a cool, lovely day.
How's your evening going now?
How's your evening going now?
你今晚过得怎么样？
How's your evening going now?
How's your evening going now?
Nice to bump into you here.
Nice to bump into you here.
真高兴在这里碰到你。
Nice to bump into you here.
Nice to bump into you here.
Did you bring an umbrella today?
Did you bring an umbrella today?
你今天带伞了吗？
Did you bring an umbrella today?
Did you bring an umbrella today?
I'm great, thanks a lot indeed.
I'm great. Thanks a lot indeed.
我很好，真的非常感谢。
I'm great, thanks a lot indeed.
I'm great. Thanks a lot indeed.
Can you pass me a small towel?
Can you pass me a small towel?
你能递给我一条小毛巾吗？
Can you pass me a small towel?
Can you pass me a small towel?
That's so kind of you to help.
That's so kind of you to help.
你帮忙真是太好了。
That's so kind of you to help.
That's so kind of you to help.
This rain is really annoying now.
This rain is really annoying now.
现在这雨真让人烦。
This rain is really annoying now.
This rain is really annoying now.
I'm hungry, want some dumplings.
I'm hungry, want some dumplings.
我饿了，想吃点饺子。
I'm hungry, want some dumplings.
I'm hungry, want some dumplings.
Would you like a glass of juice?
Would you like a glass of juice?
你想要一杯果汁吗？
Would you like a glass of juice?
Would you like a glass of juice?
Can you help me open the door?
Can you help me open the door?
你能帮我开门吗？
Can you help me open the door?
Can you help me open the door?
You're welcome, happy to assist.
You're welcome, happy to assist.
不客气，很高兴能帮忙。
You're welcome, happy to assist.
You're welcome, happy to assist.
The wind is blowing so hard now.
The wind is blowing so hard now.
现在风刮得好大。
The wind is blowing so hard now.
The wind is blowing so hard now.
It's hot, need a cold drink fast.
It's hot, need a cold drink fast.
好热，需要赶紧喝杯冷饮。
It's hot, need a cold drink fast.
It's hot, need a cold drink fast.
Can you hold my bag for a sec?
Can you hold my bag for a sec?
你能帮我拿一下包吗？
Can you hold my bag for a sec?
Can you hold my bag for a sec?
No problem at all, here you go.
No problem at all, here you go.
完全没问题，给你。
No problem at all, here you go.
No problem at all, here you go.
This line is way too long today.
This line is way too long today.
今天这队伍也太长了。
This line is way too long today.
This line is way too long today.
Can I borrow your small pencil?
Can I borrow your small pencil?
我能借一下你的小铅笔吗？
Can I borrow your small pencil?
Can I borrow your small pencil?
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much for your help.
非常感谢你的帮助。
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much for your help.
This chair is really uncomfortable.
This chair is really uncomfortable.
这把椅子真的很不舒服。
This chair is really uncomfortable.
This chair is really uncomfortable.
I tidy my desk every single day.
I tidy my desk every single day.
我每天都整理我的书桌。
I tidy my desk every single day.
I tidy my desk every single day.
How much is this cute small bowl?
How much is this cute small bowl?
这个可爱的小碗多少钱？
How much is this cute small bowl?
How much is this cute small bowl?
Do you have this in light green?
Do you have this in light green?
这个有浅绿色的吗？
Do you have this in light green?
Do you have this in light green?
I need to grab a drink quickly.
I need to grab a drink quickly.
我需要赶紧去喝点东西。
I need to grab a drink quickly.
I need to grab a drink quickly.
I eat noodles for lunch sometimes.
I eat noodles for lunch sometimes.
我有时午餐吃面条。
I eat noodles for lunch sometimes.
I eat noodles for lunch sometimes.
Excuse me, where's the water tap?
Excuse me, where's the water tap?
打扰一下，水龙头在哪里？
Excuse me, where's the water tap?
Excuse me, where's the water tap?
Go right at the white mailbox.
Go right at the white mailbox.
在白色邮箱处右转。
Go right at the white mailbox.
Go right at the white mailbox.
I don't like rainy days too much.
I don't like rainy days too much.
我不太喜欢下雨天。
I don't like rainy days too much.
I don't like rainy days too much.
Is there a drink shop close by?
Is there a drink shop close by?
附近有饮品店吗？
Is there a drink shop close by?
Is there a drink shop close by?
Can you speak a bit more clearly?
Can you speak a bit more clearly?
你能说得再清楚一点吗？
Can you speak a bit more clearly?
Can you speak a bit more clearly?
Where can I buy a small notebook?
Where can I buy a small notebook?
我在哪里可以买到小笔记本？
Where can I buy a small notebook?
Where can I buy a small notebook?
I wipe my table every morning.
I wipe my table every morning.
我每天早上都擦桌子。
I wipe my table every morning.
I wipe my table every morning.
Would you like a small dumpling?
Would you like a small dumpling?
你想要一个小饺子吗？
Would you like a small dumpling?
Would you like a small dumpling?
I like to drink cold juice often.
I like to drink cold juice often.
我经常喜欢喝冷果汁。
I like to drink cold juice often.
I like to drink cold juice often.
That shop has nice cheap bowls.
That shop has nice cheap bowls.
那家店的碗又好又便宜。
That shop has nice cheap bowls.
That shop has nice cheap bowls.
This juice tastes so fresh sweet.
This juice tastes so fresh sweet.
这果汁尝起来非常新鲜甜美。
This juice tastes so fresh sweet.
This juice tastes so fresh sweet.
You're always so helpful to me.
You're always so helpful to me.
你总是对我这么有帮助。
You're always so helpful to me.
You're always so helpful to me.
I think this bowl is really cute.
I think this bowl is really cute.
我觉得这个碗真的很可爱。
I think this bowl is really cute.
I think this bowl is really cute.
Don't worry, it'll be okay soon.
Don't worry, it'll be okay soon.
别担心，很快就会好的。
Don't worry, it'll be okay soon.
Don't worry, it'll be okay soon.
Thank you for your sweet help.
Thank you for your sweet help.
谢谢你贴心的帮助。
Thank you for your sweet help.
Thank you for your sweet help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。